respect to this reckless driving आणि जे ॲक्सिडंट जाताय तांकां whether we should try them under the laws of equivalent to murder. My take is, पयल सुवातेर we should try good options. पयल सुवातेर the base, there should be proper checks and balances जेन्ना लायसन दिताय तिका. दुसरे जे भायर सान पळय ड्रायव्हर येताय चलोवपाक गाडयो, who are hiring the bikes, तांकां कितें जाल्यार चॅक्स एंड बॅलन्सीस दवरूं जाय. तिसरे, awareness programs should be conducted on two types. One, awareness for all the drivers in certain intervals of time at village level or maybe at panchayat level. And चौथ म्हळ्यार there should be some exhibitions held to show all the broken vehicles damaged beyond recognition and the after effect of such things. And पांचवें म्हळ्यार we should bring some witnesses who have gone through these horrible incidents to become the prima witnesses of that incident. And हे सगळे educational part, after we play that role, in spite of that, if we have found people who have been doing like reckless, irresponsible driving, people found drunk while driving, and असो केसीन accident जाल जायत, this type of people, after being proved beyond doubt, they should be tried by the laws which are equivalent to murders. Nonetheless, things are not going to change because time and again, different, even high-profile people have come on media and given the advice about rough driving, drunken driving, but seem to be like high-profile people, they get scot-free and nothing happens. So that sets an example to other people who can influence the authorities. That's why things will be difficult. Otherwise, yes, this type of people should be tried under equivalent acts of murder.
आयज एक असो प्रश्न येता की जे रेकलेस ड्रायव्ह जे रस्त्यांचेर जाता आनी ज्याच्या पासून एक्सिडेंट्स जाता, डॅमेजीस जाता, पब्लीक प्रॉपर्टीज, गव्हर्मेंट प्रॉपर्टीज, अपार्ट एकदां तर मनशाचो जीव बी वयता. आयज हो जो प्रश्न येयला खऱ्यांनीच खूब गरजेचो प्रश्न जो हेरल्डान आयज हाडला आनी ह्या प्रश्नाक उत्तर म्हणजे एक हांव म्हाजें अशें दिवंक सोदतां की हे जे बेशिस्त जे गाडी चलयतात, जे बेजबाबदारीन गाडयो चलयतात किंवा जे लोक भुरग्यां कडेन आपले गाडयो दितात, लायसन्स बी आसना, रेसींग लायता रस्त्यार, हांव मागतां गोवा पुलीस ट्रॅफिक सेला कडेन ह्या लोकांक फायन न्ही तर हेंची लायसनां कॅन्सल करची. दे शूड बी बॅन्ड फॉर एटलीस्ट 5 years फ्रॉम रायडींग बायक ऑर ड्रायव्हिंग कार. कारण शिक्षा म्हणजे प्रश्न असो येता की बाबा जर कोणाचो तूं मर्डर करता जाल्यार तुका एक जन्मठेप किंवा फाशी हेची शिक्षा जाता. आनी तूं जर रॅश ड्रायव्ह करून जर तूं कोणाचो मर्डर करता तर ताका आमचो सरकार किंवा आमची डेमोक्रेसी ती शिक्षा दिवंक शकना. सो म्हाजें मागणें आसा आनी हांव मागाय बी ना, हांव म्हाजें एकूच मागणें दवरतां की हे जे रेकलेस जे कोण ड्रायव्ह करतात किंवा जे कोण हे जे भुरगे रायड करतात, हांव खूब फावटी पळयता बेजबाबदारीन ज्यो गाडयो चलयतात तेंची लायसनां कॅन्सल करची फॉर 5 years. हे म्हाज्या सरकारा कडेन SP ट्रॅफिक, गोवा पुलीस, RTO ह्या सगळ्यां कडेन म्हाजें रिक्वेस्ट.
Whether reckless driving and such drivers should be treated on par with murderers and punishment on those lines. Today, when we see reckless driving has become a norm, especially among the rich and the mighty. It may be a thrill to them, but it is the risk of the lives of pedestrians on the streets. Now, the question is, it has to be considered as a very serious offense and long-term imprisonment, not with fine come out. Imprisonment come proper compensation towards the person who has either lost his life or lost his limb, has to come down. But with all said and done, if there are no track courts or fast track courts, and the result cannot be given within 6 months, one way or the other, then no amount of punishment would be effective.